Number 6 of 6 in the Mud series of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam is Aftershock. And so we'll unbox him. Take a quick look on the back of the box. Who we have? Alright, we have Superman with the Clear Crushers, Batman, Night Glow Cage, Northern Nightmare and Tour Favorites, Black Stallion, and Creatures. There's Aftershock, Mohawk Warrior, Tour Favorites, and Megalodon in Epic Editions. So we get an orange recrushable car, Aftershock, with the mud into the arena. And so it's pretty much a mud truck and the new Monster Jam logo. Hot Wheels logo is in the same area, Aftershock. There's a little bit of mud on the body of the truck. Has the BKT tires. The last time Aftershock came out was in 2016 in the Stunt Ramp series. So it's been a while since he came out. Flip it around here. On the hood, you see some mud. Also, on the roof, there's some graphics as well. There's the other side of Aftershock. I think the yellow wheels go very well with Aftershock. On the back, there's some mud also. So here is the other version that was in the Stunt Ramp series. So you can see the difference. The older Monster Jam logo. No BKT tires. And the new one. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing for the mud version of Aftershock.